Hi, Jonathan York from IRG. Looking at the investment market this week. The rate has now been set on the Goodman Fielder bond issue. That came out at 7.54, which I think was a pretty good outcome there for investors. And that puts that one to bed. We've just got the APN issue in the marketplace now. That is looking to be a minimum of 7.8. And there is also a potential Infratel infrastructure bond coming through. That will be a little bit higher, probably around 8.5, because that will be subordinated debt. As soon as we have any further issues on the Infratel, we will update you here on this video. But the APN, it's 100 million. Again, there's no public pool. And if you do have an interest, call us on 0800 867 323 to reserve an allocation. Elsewhere in the equity markets, a little bit of nervousness out there after the latest bailout for the Irish banking system. That appears to have all gone through now, and now the sort of blame game starts to be apportioned, and that creates a little bit of uncertainty out there for the equity markets. It's also a shortened week in the US on the trading because of their Thanksgiving holiday, so that tends to make people a little bit nervous, and markets a little bit thin out there, and so it can be more susceptible to some slightly higher moves out there. But overall, equities still look pretty positive going forward into 2011. Growth is starting to pick up, and now it's just a question of starting to see that come through and start to reduce the unemployment in the various economies around the world. Still, the big uncertainty though is the currencies out there. There's not really much that can be done about that. It just has to play its way out. It is certainly hurting the New Zealand economy, and just yesterday there was an announcement from S&P about the potential imbalances here in the New Zealand economy, and that potentially could lead to a downgrade down the road. But that is some way off, but it's just putting a bit of a warning shot across the bows out there from S&P. I now pass you over to Phil Sedcole for the mortgage commentary.
You're on.
Hi, Phil Sedcole from the Investment Research Group Mortgage Department. Everything seems to be running quite smoothly at the moment. With the spring campaign that the banks are putting on, they're getting more aggressive out there with some financial contributions towards mortgages and things like that. Interest rates are fairly stable, with a couple of small decreases in the 2-year rates from a couple of the lenders, but the basics of it seem to be quite stable. Same old thing, if you're looking to either alter your mortgage, top it up, or buy another house for your first house, come and see us at Investment Research Group. That way we can take all the stress and hassle out of it and look after you properly.
Thanks, Phil. So call us on 0800 867 323 if you wish to discuss any of the points in this video, or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for the APN application. The Infratel will be up there as soon as it becomes firmer details out there. Lots of interesting articles, and obviously a disclosure statement available there as well. And we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.